First of all, you need a floppy drive, if you can find them on eBay or anywhere else you spend money. Mainly eBay. You need this kind of adapter, which you can get off Amazon or eBay. This adapter, I think you just plug from the adapter to the power on the floppy drive, and you put it in the drive bay that's for 3.5-inch or smaller devices. Extension cable for the USB board. And it should look like this once you're done.